Welcome to your digital literacy and AI training. In this session, we'll cover 5 essential topics: what generative AI is, how to use it safely, how to write effective prompts, how AI can automate workflows, and how to protect data when using AI tools. Let's begin with generative AI. Generative AI refers to systems that can create new content, like text, images, or code, based on patterns they've learned from large data sets. You give it an input, and it generates an output. For example, you might ask it to summarize a meeting, draft an email, or generate a code snippet. But it's important to understand, generative AI doesn't know facts. It predicts likely responses. That means it can make mistakes, like inventing details, misquoting sources, or reflecting bias from its training data. This is called hallucination. So even if AI helps you write something, you are still responsible for the final output. Always review and verify. Next, let's talk about safe AI usage. Only use company-approved AI tools. These tools are configured to protect our data and comply with regulations. Avoid using public AI websites or browser extensions unless explicitly authorized. Never enter sensitive data into AI tools. That includes customer information, financial records, passwords, or legal documents. A good rule of thumb: if you wouldn't post it publicly, don't paste it into AI. When using AI-generated content, verify the facts, cite sources when needed, and disclose AI assistance if required. Don't rely on AI alone for decisions that affect people, money, or legal outcomes. Now let's look at prompt engineering. A prompt is the instruction you give to an AI. The quality of your prompt directly affects the quality of the output. Use a structured approach. One example is the COSTAR method. Context: what's the situation? Objective: what do you want? Style: what tone or voice? Tasks: what steps should it follow? Acceptance criteria: what makes a good result? And response format: how should the answer be structured? Here's an example. Bad prompt: write a report. Better prompt: write a 200-word summary of our Q2 sales performance for executives. Use a confident tone. Include top 3 wins, 2 risks, and next steps. Format as bullet points. Also, add safety lines to your prompts. For example, do not invent facts. Ask if you need clarification. Prompting is iterative. If the output isn't right, refine your prompt. Be specific, give examples, ask the AI to critique and improve its own response. Now, let's explore AI in workflow automation. AI can help with repetitive, high-volume, low-risk tasks. Think of it as a smart assistant, not a replacement. Examples include drafting customer support replies, summarizing meeting notes into action items, or extracting data from invoices. Some tools go further. Agentic AI can take actions like creating tickets or sending emails. These tools must follow strict rules: least privilege access, human approvals, and activity logging. Always ask, is this task repeatable? Is it low risk? Can I measure the benefit? If yes, it might be a good candidate for automation. Finally, let's talk about data security with AI tools. The biggest risk is data leakage. If you paste sensitive data into an unapproved AI tool, that data may be stored or used to train future models. To stay safe, use only approved AI tools. Redact sensitive information. Use placeholders like customer name. Don't paste passwords or credentials. And understand the tool's data retention settings. Be aware of prompt injection. That's when hidden instructions in a document trick the AI into doing something unintended. If an AI behaves strangely, stop and report it. Also, watch out for data poisoning when bad data is inserted into training sources. This can lead to misleading or harmful outputs. Use trusted sources and report inconsistencies. If something goes wrong, follow this 3-step process. Stop. Don't continue the session. Protect, remove access if possible. Report, notify your security team immediately. Let's recap. Generative AI is powerful, but not perfect. Use it to assist, not replace your judgment. Follow company policies, use structured prompts, automate wisely, and always protect sensitive data. Used well, AI can help you work smarter. Used carelessly, it can create risks. When in doubt, pause, ask, and verify.